In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and interpret Google Forms analytics. We'll walk through opening your form, exploring the Responses tab, and making sense of the three analytics views so you can turn raw submissions into useful insights. Start by opening the Google form you want to analyze. You can get to it from your form's home or from your drive. Just open the form like you normally would for editing questions. You'll be in the editor by default. At the top of the form editor, switch from Questions to Responses. This tab is your built-in analytics dashboard. The moment you click it, Google Forms compiles everything it knows about your submissions and lays it out in clear charts and numbers. Within Responses, you'll notice three views along the top: Summary, Question, and Individual. The Summary view is the big picture. If your form is a quiz, you'll see quick insights like the average, median, and range of points earned. There's also a total points distribution graph that shows how many respondents scored at each point level, which helps you gauge overall difficulty at a glance. Scroll further and you'll find question summaries, where each question is visualized with charts and percentages for each answer choice. Use these snapshots to spot common choices, misconceptions, or questions that might be confusing. Switch over to the question view to dive into one question at a time. This is perfect for item analysis. For example, if you asked, "What is the capital of France?" and one person responded, you might see 100% for Paris. If you asked, "Which planet is known as the red planet?" the view will show the percentage that chose each option and, on quizzes, how many got it correct out of total responses, such as 0 out of 1 correct. This helps you pinpoint which concepts need reteaching or which distractors are too tempting. Finally, check the individual view to review one submission at a time. Use the arrows to move through each respondent and expand answers to see exactly what was submitted. For quizzes, you'll also see points earned per question and overall scores, making it easy to verify grading and add feedback if needed. As you explore, think about what the data suggests. Adjust unclear wording, rebalance answer options, or reconsider point values. With these three views, you have everything you need to understand performance, refine your form, and make smarter decisions based on real responses.